On April 11, 1970, Apollo 13 launched successfully. For 2 days, the mission proceeded smoothly. The crew recorded a life-thwarted broadcast, showcasing life aboard the spacecraft. But just after signing off, disaster struck. It began with a routine task, stirring the oxygen tanks. This simple procedure caused a short circuit in one of the tank's fans. The result? A catastrophic explosion that blew apart the service module. Swiggert's voice came over the radio. "Houston, we've had a problem. Oxygen levels dropped, electrical systems failed, and the spacecraft's survival became the mission's sole focus." What went wrong? Investigations later revealed that the tank had been damaged before launch. A minor drop during manufacturing weakened its structure. On top of that, an old thermostat, designed for 28 volts, was exposed to 65 volts during testing. The overheating damaged the wiring inside the tank, turning it into a ticking time bomb. When the crew activated the fans, the wires sparked, igniting the oxygen. This wasn't just an accident. It was a cascade of overlooked details, each compounding the last. A race against time. With one oxygen tank destroyed and the other rapidly depleting, the moon landing was no longer an option. The mission shifted to one goal, bringing the astronauts home alive. But survival wasn't guaranteed. The command module, designed to support 3 astronauts for 2 days, was now crippled. The only solution? Use the lunar module as a lifeboat. The lunar module, meant for 2 astronauts for 20 hours, had to sustain 3 people for 4 days. Every system was stretched to its limit. Power was rationed. Lights and heaters were turned off. Temperatures inside the spacecraft dropped below freezing, turning it into a refrigerator. CO2 crisis, a deadly problem. As the crew conserved oxygen, a new danger emerged: carbon dioxide. The lunar module's filters couldn't handle the increased levels of CO2. The astronauts were slowly poisoning themselves with every breath. On Earth, NASA engineers raced against time, devising a solution with what the astronauts had on board: duct tape, plastic bags, and a hose. It was a makeshift filter, and it worked. Against all odds, CO2 levels dropped, buying the crew precious time.